Welcome to our channel. Evaluating productivity suites through free trials helps you choose the right tools for your workflow. Follow these step-by-step instructions to try them for free. Step 1. Identify productivity suites that offer free trials. Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Notion, Asana, and Monday.com typically provide 14 to 30-day trials. Step 2. Visit the official website and sign up for a trial account. You'll need an email address and may need to provide payment information. Step 3. Explore all core features during your trial. Test document creation, spreadsheets, presentations, collaboration tools, and cloud storage capabilities. Step 4. Invite team members if the suite is for business use. Evaluate collaboration features like real-time editing, commenting, and file sharing. Step 5. Test integration with tools you already use. Check if the suite connects with your email, calendar, project management apps, or other software. Step 6. Evaluate mobile apps and offline functionality. Make sure the suite works seamlessly across all your devices and when you don't have internet access. Step 7. Assess customer support and learning resources. Good productivity suites offer tutorials, documentation, and responsive support teams. Step 8. Compare pricing and features after your trial. If the suite meets your needs, subscribe. Otherwise, cancel before the trial period ends to avoid charges. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.